BC here at Las Perlas, LA downtown. And today we're gonna make a sugar-free margarita for your drinking enjoyment. So what we're gonna start off by doing is getting our tin filled with ice. Once we've done that, we're gonna take our tequila. In this case, we're using Espolón. It's a reposado that we're using. And we're gonna take 2 ounces and pour it right in the glass. Yeah. Then we're gonna take our Royal Cambier. This is gonna be our sweetness. This and the tequila, that's gonna be our sugar. That's the only thing that we're putting in there that's gonna be any type of sweetness. We're gonna take 1 ounce of lime juice and ½ ounce of the Royal Cambier. So very little sweetness. And the lime, we're just gonna take freshly squeezed, none of that artificial stuff right there. All genuine. Squeeze that in. Measure it out to be 1 ounce. Perfect. Pour it right in the tin. Give that bad boy a shake. Now if you want, you can use anything as far as to sweeten your margarita. If you want to use perhaps some Sweet and Low or agave nectar as a natural sweetener, so that way you don't have to worry about having sugar in there, you can do that. In this case, we're just keeping it out completely. We're going to salt our rim. And then just pour our margarita right in the glass. And there you have it. How to make a sugar-free margarita right here at Las Perlas. My name is BC, and I will pour you this drink anytime you want. Come on by.